What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be switching a few things up on the Speed 3. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this little muffler cannon thing I got for Christmas installed. I've had it for a while, obviously, and I'm just kind of getting now around to doing it because I had a free day, nothing better to do. So let's go. I figured why not just go ahead and install it. We'll take it to a shop and have them install it. So let me show you guys the tip I currently have on there and what this is gonna look like when it's on. So this is the current tip that I have on there. If you can see, it's just a stock tip. Well, it's not sure, it's not stock, but I don't know where it's from, to be honest. Just a muffler delete, and this is just gonna replace it. Kind of gonna go over it. I don't know, you get the idea. It's like that. But that's gonna replace this, and I'm gonna have it sit so it kind of is like that. I know it's hard to show you guys now, but as soon as it's done, you guys will be able to see what I'm kind of envisioning. Now, I'm not gonna go ahead and sit here and waste your guys' time and show you how they install it, how they cut it and do it, because I'm sure everybody that's watching this video has seen hundreds of muffler installs on different cars before on how to get their particular car to sound the way they want it. And so I'm just kind of gonna cut to the scene after it's installed, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and how it sounds after, and I'll put a before and after clip right now. So what you guys just heard was a quick before of what it sounded like previously, and here's what it sounds like now. So I wouldn't call that any louder. It's definitely throatier, and it sounds a lot different than what it previously did, which I like. I am still gonna be doing a few more modifications to the exhaust, so that's not all she wrote. But as of now, I'm pretty happy. It is quieter on idle, which I guess is a good thing. It won't piss off all the neighbors, but when you're driving, that's when it really opens up, and I actually enjoy that a lot. That's how it was in the last one. It was still loud either way, but it was quieter on idle, and when you gave it a lot of gas, that's when it really opened up. It's now a couple days later. I'm finally had another day off work, and I got another piece for the Mazda, which is what I was missing in order to do the LED lights. So let me go ahead and grab them. These ones right here, they're just the bumper retainers. They haven't been replaced before, so I figured I might as well replace them, because I'll show you guys. This kind of the passenger side. So the left side, it's a little kind of broken, so you can move the bumper around a little bit. So I'll show you right now. As you can see, it's just not clipping as well as the side over here, whereas this is much better. But I'm still gonna replace this one because there's a little bit of play. So I mean, they're cheap enough to where it was like, why not, right? It's actually also been a couple days since I did the last clip of the exhaust, so let me do a cold start for you guys, and I'll show you guys exactly what it sounds like after it's been broken in a little bit. So cold start right now. That was just a little cold start of, well, I guess the muffler install tip thing, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I gotta beep that out. But so no big deal. Damn, I need a cut. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull the car up on some little race ramps right now, get it jacked up, and I'm gonna start taking off the bumper so I can get the LEDs in. And I'll show you why I had to take off the bumper, because normally you don't have to, but since I do have aftermarket headlights, I'm gonna have to. So as you can see, I have some Spec D headlights, and the reason I have to take the entire bumper off is because you can see there's no space, just because I'm thinking, I don't know why they did it like this, but you can see how much farther it sticks out. Normally it would cut off like about here, so you can still get your hand in there. This side I could do, because you just have to unbolt that for the fuse box and just kind of lift the whole thing out, and you can get access. Even without moving this, I could get access, but I figured if I have to do that one anyways, might as well take the whole bumper off and replace it with those new bumper tabs that might as well. That way I don't have to risk scratching or breaking anything that I can't see, and it'd be a much easier process. So let's go ahead and get that on the race ramps. For a stock car, this actually had quite a bit of missing things, like clearly this is fraying, missing tabs here. Well, no, this one's has it, but there's some missing. And then you come over here and you have these when they're supposed to be these, and there's two of them. Like, what? And then he's got a random screw right there holding, I don't even know. I guess it's just these two together, because that's not dangerous at all to have. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, like that. That's not dangerous. You know, it wouldn't be like catastrophic, but seriously, for a stock car, this was cracked as well. That was cracked. Whatever. Let's just stop complaining and let's get this bumper going. Alright, so bumper is clearly off. I was having a little bit of trouble until I looked under and found some zip ties holding this corner, or that corner that I was looking at earlier. What? I don't even know. Anyways, forget about that. Let's get into how to take this headlight off. It's pretty easy. See, screw there. One there. And that should be it. Looks like, cause that one's missing. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that one's missing. But this is getting changed out anyways, so gotta do that on both sides. Come over here, same thing. Let's see, there's supposed to be 2 screws. That one has 1. Shocker. Just little things, I guess, make the car a little bit better, safer. For all I know, this may not have been broken. It just could have been not clamping well, because that's just flexes. But I don't know. I guess time will tell. We'll find out more later. But I'm gonna replace them anyways. And so let's get to it. All right. So it's been maybe 10 minutes since I picked up the camera. The light is installed. I will turn it on in a second. Let me just kind of reiterate what I'm doing here and why there's just bolts everywhere. Yes, you want to usually put them in a bag, but I've taken this bumper off on this kind of car so many times. I have pretty much everything memorized. Sad to say, but it's true. Also, since I have owned one in the past, I did have an extra bolt, so now there's 1 in each hole. And there's already, I showed you guys, there's 2 on the other side. So this one is secure now. And I know I said there was 3, but I was wrong. There's more. There's the ones up here. That one sucks. And in order to get this light off, that one has to come out. So that's probably what he did when he put these headlights in, is he just didn't put it in, I guess. That would be my best guess. There's that one there, and there's 2 underneath, and then it just kind of slides out. So let me go ahead and turn the lights on and show you guys exactly what it looks like. There you go. So we got jank. Not jank. Jank. Not jank. I mean, you can't tell me. Oh, shit, I must have fell. You can't tell me that doesn't look better, especially with the boomerang. Let me go ahead and turn the regular lights off and show you the boomerang. Ooh, the new interior. If you guys haven't checked that out, I'll leave a link in the description and in the corner right here. So this is what the boomerangs look like, though. I don't know, I would call it, it looks purple on the camera, but they're blue. I promise they're blue. But so when you turn the lights on, you can tell that one looks a lot weirder because it's yellow. Almost looks like Lakers colors to the camera. But that one's white and it just flows a lot better. especially with the black. I don't know why, but it just looks more aggressive, and especially it's a lot safer too. You'll be able to see everything a lot better at night. So that's one big reason I did this. So it's all almost done. I got all the lights back on. I am gonna go ahead and repair this bumper a little bit more, because you can see it kind of, yeah, it's a little broken. So we're gonna fix that when I come home. But right now I'm starving, so I'm gonna go get some food. I'm gonna drop you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm hungry. So let's go. We're gonna take the old daily since Speed's still kind of out of commission and I don't have another car right now. I'll have an update for you guys on that one in a little bit, maybe in the next video or two. Probably next video, but let's go get some food. Just picked up the food. I went to get some Maui Hawaiian barbecue. You guys have not been there or by the Costco, definitely recommend. It's bomb, dude. Let's hear the startup on this warm startup on this little 100 horsepower car. Bro, I just tried to put in the clutch. There's no clutch. Oh. Alright, both of the headlights are installed. I'm crouching by the car right now just because everybody's kind of watching, and I don't know, it's weird. But anyways, both the headlights are in. I've been driving with them for a couple days just to see if they worked or not, and whether I was even gonna post this video if it was good enough. And they're super bright. I really like them. They are super white. I don't even remember the lumens or whatever you call it. I don't know. I know they're super bright though. But anyways, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. Go ahead and make sure you head to the website and get something to wear, like a jacket, since you know it is gonna rain, at least in SoCal. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.